Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, MTG Overload, where we talk about anything regarding Magic the Gathering. And without further delay, let's see what you will find here. Starting with the first segment, Time Walking, I'm gonna take a journey through time and go all the way back to 1993 when Magic first was started, and see the evolution of the game. So how this will be done is starting at the end of September and going on for every 2 weeks. We're gonna cover 1 year worth of time. And by cover, we mean everything regarding decks, ruling changes, format changes, bannings of cards, tournaments, and all the stuff that happened regarding Magic those years. Which will be a great journey for everyone, a nostalgia journey if you will. So that's pretty much about this segment. Let's move into the next one. For the second segment, inside the library, we're going to take a look at the deck each week, mostly for modern and standard formats, and I'm going to give you a full analysis on how the deck works, how to use the deck correctly, how to play against it, what cards you need in your sideboard, its good matchups, its bad matchups, and generally everything you need to know about the deck. And this will be done every Monday. So this is pretty much what there is to this segment, and let's move into the next one. The third segment is gonna be pretty much gameplay for Magic Duels. We're gonna have one deck each week, have 5 matches with a deck, then showcase the results. I'm going to try to cover all the archetypes, but this segment will start in October because I need some time to gather all the cards, and I will try to get it started before the expansion for Battle for Zendikar is online. This segment will be every Wednesday, starting on October, and that's pretty much it. So let's move into the next segment. The fourth segment is all about spoilers, so I would only be active when spoilers are around. And for Battle for Zendikar, since the spoilers have already started, I'm going to do a complete video of everything spoiled up to this point, and then I'm going to start from Wednesday, and for the previous 2 days I'm going to do the spoilers. So for example, say you get the first video on Wednesday, this is gonna be for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then for example you go Friday, it's Thursday and Friday. So this is how the spoilers will work. And with that being said, let's move to our last and final segment. And lastly, the fifth segment is just the rest, which means everything that doesn't belong to the previous 4 segments, it will be here. So that includes rants, reactions, unboxings, and all the other fun stuff. And this is pretty much the complete schedule for the channel for now, with all the dates and everything you need to know. And this is it. That's my introduction to the channel. Hope you like what you saw. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe if you want. Thanks for watching, and see you around everyone.